Local family says Orlando police officers used excessive force when they shot and killed their son during a controversial police operation. They say their son was unarmed when it happened. Now the family has filed a lawsuit against the department. Sean Chabot has the story.
This was a scene 2 years ago. 19-year-old Carvis Gamble Jr. was watching TV when undercover officers hiding outside shot through a window and killed him. His parents have now sued Orlando police and 3 officers for the, quote, unnecessary and violent murder of an unarmed young man at the hands of heavily armed Orlando Police Department officers during an execution of a warrantless operation. The lawsuit says 8 undercover officers came to this house on a stale and unverified drug tip. The plan was to knock and talk with people inside. But when Gamble turned toward the window, Officer Christopher Bigelow shot him through an open window. Back then, police said Gamble reached for a gun, but the lawsuit says he had no weapons, broke no laws, was not under arrest, and was not a threat to himself or others. The lawsuit also says police never tried to save Gamble. They waited for 20 minutes before calling an ambulance and then prevented paramedics from helping him for another 15 minutes.
Sean Chabot was reporting for us there. Police have previously said they recovered a small amount of drugs at the home that night. We should mention this case sparked a lot of changes to those controversial warrantless knock and talk police operations.